Hi there and welcome, Lee Farnell here. I want to give you some fantastic seeds of knowledge, seeds of business growth tips that are going to really help you today. I'm so excited because I've just had a phone call I want to share with you. Get ready. Hey, welcome back. I've just had this fantastic phone call with one of my clients. It's a client I call an A-grade student. I actually just posted a post on LinkedIn because I rang him because we're about to do some digital marketing with him and talk about his digital marketing, his smart digital marketing plan. He's been working with some people in the past that he's not so happy with. It's the classic kind of baseball cap on backwards, young people promising the world but not delivering. We want to put in a proper yellow zone business growth, business marketing, digital platform for him. But I'm not going to talk about that. What I want to talk about is this phone call. I ring and I say, hey, and I'm going to use a name that's not his name just so that I keep the confidentiality. Hey, Wayne, it's Lee here. Hey, Lee, I can't talk to you right now. I'm just doing an inspection on a new house that we just bought. And I went, oh, is that the one you told me about a few weeks ago, the dream home on the river? That's right, because you told me we went to a breakfast, a leadership breakfast here in Perth recently, and he said he just bought this home. It was a dream home. It's like the location is just fantastic. Now, the fact is he'd also just taken his family on a wonderful holiday way up north into the north part of Western Australia with his family for school holidays. He's what I call an A-grade student. He's one of my A-grade students, and I'm sure, it's just so great when you've got A-grade clients. This is a testimonial he wrote a couple of years ago for me. He says, hey Lee, we've doubled in size, we've had our best year ever. I just wanted to touch base and give you an update on how the business is going. Now, the business is about to double the size of our facility, and we're going to do a lot more and be a lot more productive, which is going to allow us to keep growing with no restrictions. Well, as it's worked out, since he's doubled the size of the facility, he's also bought another commercial property that he owns freehold. So he actually has 3 facilities now. In this testimonial, he says, we've done about 2.5 million in sales in 6 months, and we're on track for our best year ever. Well, the fact is now he's doing over $12 million a year. He says, thanks for your help and advice. It's been great. And while I'm at it, another client around the corner from him, Mark Antonio from DMD, Shelving Director, or they're now called DMD Storage Group because they got bigger and bigger. He said, hey Lee, we've had a couple of record months and things have just gone from strength to strength. The guys are buzzing. They're jumping out of their skin. Well, I get a huge kick when my A-grade students report that back to me. You see, we talk about adult active applied. This is not just go to university, write a pen and paper assignment and you get an A for it. This is about applying real world smarter business systems into your business and watching your sales and watching your balance sheet get healthier and wealthier and create more value for yourself, your children, your grandchildren, and your great-grandchildren. This is about generational prosperity that we're helping to create here. You see, these guys, Wayne and Mark and a whole range of others, they've taken our Everyday Empowerment Institute Smarter Business Systems, they've installed them into the business, they took the advice, they took the coaching, and we call it adult active applied learning. We talk about the 3 types of coaching. There's the curriculum-based coaching where we teach specific modules customized to that business and where that business is at on the small, medium, large, whether it's on the ladder of business evolution, which level it's at, level 1 right through to level 8. They implement adult active applied learning with coaching and accountability, curriculum-based coaching, implementation coaching, accountability coaching. There's an old proverb, sow the same seeds, reap the same rewards. So it gives me a whole lot of pride to share with you these success stories. But the fact is, if you want to plant those seeds into your business so you can reap the same rewards, it's as simple as doing a couple of things. One, firstly, before you do that, ask yourself, am I comfortable and satisfied with the results I'm getting? If you are, don't bother contacting us. If you're not satisfied and you actually do want something different, you want to ask yourself, why am I not satisfied? Why do I want something different? Who am I doing it for? Am I leaving money on the table? Do I think I'm missing out on lost opportunities at the end of each day and each week? When I look at the numbers coming in each day, each week, each month, each quarter, am I happy with those numbers? If you are, don't call us. If you're not happy with those numbers, then book a Smarter Systems demonstration, a Smarter Business Growth Systems demonstration, or do our 10-question business growth stock take diagnostic. The links are here, and I'll put them in the posting here. Take action. You've got nothing to lose. The only thing you're losing right now is lost opportunity. As we say, the biggest expense you've got is the money you're not making. The biggest expense you've got is the money you're not making. Take action, book, touch base with us. The conversations we're having with people when we do the Smarter Business Growth Systems demonstration are just fantastic. Got nothing to lose, only a whole lot to gain. Come and join us, Everyday Empowerment Institute, Clarity Today for Growth Tomorrow. I'm Lee Farnell. Thanks for listening.